Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a morning routine, so let's get started. Plus the video. Yeah, so let's get started. Oh,
Beep beep
wake
beep
up.
beep beep beep.
Stop it. Okay, well, I'm gonna go in my daughter's room and time to wake up. Hi, sweetie. Hi. So, what if you get ready for the day?
Okay.
And mommy's going. I already got like dressed, so
Let's use some makeup.
I'm gonna go downstairs.
Perfect.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go make. Oh, there's a lot of slushies that I left over. Maybe let's have the slushy and pancakes today. Okay.
I'm ready. How do you think I look?
You look wonderful, sweetie. Okay, well, let's go for bacon and eggs today. So let's just fry it.
Ooh, slushy.
Oh, sweetie, not right now. Okay.
Mommy, is it okay if I go outside while you're cooking food?
Sure.
Okay.
Just go on the trampoline or something.
Okay.
Soon mommy's gonna go buy a playground.
Take off my shoes.
Okay. I did a backflip. Okay.
I'm so good at doing backflips.
Sweetie, do you want to eat outside?
Yeah. Mommy, can you watch me do a backflip?
Sure.
Wait. Ta-da!
I didn't see you. Oh, that was wonderful, sweetie.
Yay! I'm coming, Mommy. I just want to feel the pool.
Okay, so
it's so hot. Maybe today.
Mommy's saying that today is a really, really fast day. So, I'm just going to take some and Mommy's going to sit right here. Okay, well, I'm going to go get the slushies. And yes, so let me just go get the slushies.
Slushies? I want to eat.
And two.
Yummy.
Okay. Oh, you're eating the whole thing, sweetie. Wait, let mommy just do this, okay? So mommy's just gonna get you one right there. And right there.
I'm done. Yeah, good. Here my plate.
Oh, you're all done?
Yeah.
Okay, well, mommy's gonna sit. And I'm going to be eating. Oh my god, it's raining! Oh my god! It's raining!
Mommy,
Okay,
I want to go outside.
Okay, you can go inside. Mommy's coming. Oh my god. I did not know on the weather app that it was gonna actually rain.
I'm gonna watch some TV and I feel a bit tired.
Okay, that means mom. Okay, I did not mean that to happen, but that we're gonna say. Okay, I gotta take this and I'm gonna put it right here.
Oh yeah, you coming, Mommy? I wanna watch something else.
Really, news? Wait, go back to the news.
Definitely.
Hello, bloxburg. There is going to be a tornado today. So we're going to be having a lockdown. Did you hear that?
Yeah, this is our basement. There's nothing down here.
Oh, yeah, that's why that's the safe safe room. Mommy can go there. That's pretty weird. But like, when the,
I need popcorn.
so, like, when the siren comes, I'm just gonna keep this on. When the siren comes, we're going to be going down this basement or something. But Mommy can go. Wait, I'm just gonna check really quick if I go. I think I need to make this a little. But Mommy, look, sweetie. Um, um, I'm just gonna do this really quick, guys, if that is okay. Wait, sweetie, I just gotta do this, okay? Mommy did something really wrong. Okay. And then we need a little roof right here. Okay. I'm just gonna fix it, okay? Sweetie, is it pouring now?
Yeah, it's so raining.
Okay. Okay, get in the house. Get in the house. Oh my god, Mommy's so sorry. Mommy is so sorry. Come on, let's get in the house. Dee, dee, dee. Oh my god, it's the tornado siren.
I'm already down here.
Okay, well, I'm just gonna turn off the nose. Oh my god, there's literally a tornado going on. Oh my god. Okay, well, just like go inside of one of the boxes. Okay, wait, Mommy's just gonna sit. Okay. Wait, sweetie, are you okay? Oh my, there is a big tornado out. Oh, Mommy was gonna take you to the beach today.
Maybe tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow is a good day.
Let me check on my phone if it's gonna rain tomorrow. Let me go check.
Okay.
Good thing it's in my pocket. Tomorrow is not gonna rain.
Okay. Well, I'm just curious that we can just go up here. I don't know.
I'm gonna go up here.
But I don't really see like a tornado close to us. It's just warning us or something. I didn't eat any
Maybe they're
breakfast.
just trying to get out.
Yeah, because there might be a tornado or something. So, I'm just gonna eat this.
I wanna get changed. I don't like it.
Oh,
Perfect. I know.
well, your sister and your brother and your daddy are at your aunt's house in Brookhaven. So we're gonna go meet your aunt really soon. It's just Mommy didn't want to be alone sometimes.
You see my brother well.
Yeah.
Vroom.
Please don't make a mess in there.
Okay, bye.
Well, I'm coming upstairs. And let's see your brother. Ooh, it's thunderstorming. I'm just gonna close the windows.
My room.
Okay, it still looks really well in here.
This is my room. How do you think?
Okay, well, Mommy's gonna go take a little shower in here, so please don't bother, okay? Okay, guys, I'm gonna go take a little shower. Oh, it's so nice taking a little shower and stuff. Oh, it's so well.
Dada!
Wait.
Dada! Dada! Mama!
Who's this guy?
Oh no. Is it Dada?
It's not Dada. How would Dada leave the children? Who opened this?
Ukobishi bigayi doshi.
Hello? I mean, he's neighbors with us. Just get him back in the house. It's
Oh,
raining and
oh.
thunderstorming. Okay, well, Mommy's gonna go take a shower again, okay? That was really weird. I don't know.
I'm gonna cover your tunic.
Ooh, it is thunderstorming out there. Oh,
Mommy, you gotta close the bathroom.
I know. Mommy's all done anyways. Okay.
Yeah, I see. My turn to shower.
Okay, well, Mommy's gonna go put on the
I can't
towel.
even shower.
Well, that's why you're too little. Mommy's supposed to help you.
Oh man, you have my bathtub. Where's my bathtub, Mama? Mama.
Okay, well, I got my pajamas
Where's my
on.
Mama? Mama. Mama.
Well, Mommy's going to do some work.
Why is it always up here?
And,
Perfect.
let's see. So,
This is not my pajama. This is my party clothes. Why is it always so high?
Sweetie, you know I have security systems. I can see what you're doing.
I'm trying to get dressed.
This is
into
my
pajama.
room, and then this is outside. So nobody is out here, and I guess the neighbor is out. That was pretty weird. Yeah, everything seems really fine. No one's coming in, so that's pretty good. Okay. Okay, well, sweetie, Mommy's getting pretty tired, and I think it's time to go to bed.
I'm trying to get my pajamas on.
What are you wearing, sweetie?
I'm trying to get my pajamas on. I need help. I'm waiting. Oh, wait, I got it.
Get ready for the day.
No, I got it. I got
Okay,
it.
well, Mommy's gonna go to sleep, okay?
Okay, I'm just gonna go get dressed.
Okay. Okay, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this roleplay. We love you guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and bye. Say bye.
Bye.